at Sports 37 believe that equestrian sport has no prejudice towards riders. To be able to enjoy this, we'll show you the tips and tricks to make your ride safe here on Safety on Sports. And here, kasama natin ngayon, syempre ang expert, Sir Steven. Good afternoon, Sir Steven. Sir, syempre alam naman natin in different kinds of sports, meron yung mga safety measures, may mga safety precautions na tinuturo. Dito naman sa equestrian sport, ano ba yung pwedeng matutunan ng ating mga ka-sports all over the world na ano ba yung mga safety tips na pwede nating ibigay?
Well, unang-una is like anything, you have to treat the animal, the horse, like a friend.
Like a friend.
Yeah, that's so number one is like any friend, pag na-approach kita, gaganyanan kita, syempre, iilag.
Yes.
So you always approach a horse with your hand open. It's parang universal eh. Nagiging universal language. Pag iabot mo yung kamay mo, yung horse, lalapit sa'yo. I am a friend. That's what you want to tell the horse. No? Obviously, there are some horses na maski anong gawin mo, talagang nangangagat.
So meron talaga din nangangagat, sir?
Talagang, kasi siguro, like dogs or other animals, nagkaroon ng konting problema during their upbringing. Parang sinampal sa stall, nakatali, or whatever. They were treated cruelly. So, sila yung mga alanganin. Ang unang-unang makikita mo is yung tenga. Kung nakabalik, nakahiga, backwards, like a dog. Yun. Medyo beware.
Beware.
Beware. Do not come near me. Ganon.
So, yung isa sa mga sign na tatandaan natin, ano? Pag yung tenga, sir, pala, nakahiga. So, medyo delikado pala yun.